Stop by and take a look at the 2020 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, roof rails, power rear liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.